Welcome to Lollyland Adventures, everybody. We're in the middle of a, what is this called? A warehouse? Industrial park. Why are we in an industrial park, you ask? Because today we're going to a chocolate factory. It's a chocolate factory where we got our wedding favors made 12 years ago, over 12 years ago. We're coming in today to get a little sneak peek of the Christmas goodness.
Guys, welcome to David Bradley Chocolatier. I cannot wait to go inside and show you what this place looks like.
And welcome to David Bradley. There it is, the glorious display I've been waiting to see. It's beautiful, look at it. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is the best chocolate you're ever gonna taste. I'm not kidding you.
It really is.
It really is.
Joking.
Every theme of anything you could want, they have here. Sports stuff. I mean, we're here for the Christmas stuff today, but like, if you have a sports event and you want to like get a chocolate football. These are cute. Look at that. It's a holiday glass, like an actual glass. Happy holidays with the different chocolates in it. Mikey and I will definitely show you our favorites. Apparently you can get a big old lion too, a big stuffed animal. And here we are with the behind the scenes look at David Bradley Chocolate Factory. And I think we're getting a sneak peek back there. I'm kind of excited. What's the matter?
You know the zany nuggets that I love here? Where it's like toffee mixed with chocolate and like pretzel pieces.
Caramel?
Like, it's unbelievable. They have an apple over there that's coated with the, it's called a zany apple.
Let me see it. Oh, for Thanksgiving.
It's got the zany nugget like coating the apple. How freaking ridiculous.
And you can do the dark chocolate?
Yeah.
Or the milk chocolate. But we're here for Christmas stuff.
Yeah.
Okay guys, potato chip bark, my absolute favorite item here at David Bradley. And even though I love dark chocolate, their milk chocolate, this is worth every penny. If this doesn't give you Christmas feels, I don't know what will. Who else had ribbon candy at their grandmom's house? Did your grandma have?
Yeah.
Your grandma had ribbon candy?
Yeah.
You put this on the train?
Yeah.
I used to just eat it. I would just eat it. So if you do celebrate Hanukkah, they have a ton of stuff here. Look at this. That's really nice. Only $19.99 for that cup. That's a really good gift. Even the large boxes. I love this, the Hanukkah house, the gingerbread house. Oh, look at the little jingle bells, little bears. Are you guys a fan of chocolate covered bacon? Because they have the absolute best chocolate covered bacon. I promise, milk and dark. Leave me a comment if you've had that before. This is something I love. They always have extras up at the counter of just random, like sometimes I'll run in here and I'll get Mikey a 2-pack of his milk chocolate pretzels. He loves the milk chocolate graham crackers. In fact, his father, my father-in-law loves the dark chocolate items. And they have the white chocolate too. Look at this, Jersey related. Oh wow, I love that, the Jersey bear. We got Jersey magnets, there's gifts here. So it's not just chocolate you're getting actual gifts. Mikey's gonna buy me gifts, right? Yeah. One of the main things I would recommend when you come here, the chocolate covered fruit, dark or milk. They have the grapes, they have the orange slices. My favorite, the dark chocolate apple slices, pineapple, and of course the strawberries. So they will get very busy in here very fast during the holidays. Okay, so when I was a kid, we went to some New Year's Eve parties with other kids and my dad's like divorce group back in the day. And they gave us these little chocolate cocktails. And I remember being like, I'm cool. I legit thought I used to get drunk on these, but I didn't. But they're so cool that they still have them. Back here they have a lot of the gift boxes that you can get at any time of year. Oh, look at the snowflake one. Oh, you can do assorted chocolates, all of the same kind. And what did you just say?
If I ever win the lottery, I'm coming here first. First stop here.
Beautiful boxes. No matter what you get here, they have beautiful boxes. And my favorite part, you can try those samples. I cannot believe how much holiday stuff.
Yeah, if you work in an office or you're going to a party or something like that, you show up with one of these.
I did.
You are the star.
When I worked in banking, remember I came here to pick up the big gift for the holiday party, yep.
Anytime I've gone to something and I brought something like this,
people go nuts.
Nuts.
So here's the cool thing. They have the smash cupcake here that's for $16.99, so if you want it for like an individual. But maybe if you're going to a party or you're really craving chocolate, there's a huge one here. This might be one of my favorite gift boxes here. Sea salt flats, toffee bites with sea salt, which are phenomenal. Those are dark chocolate. And caramels with sea salt. Oh, don't tell Mikey, I might get him that for Christmas. We don't do gifts, but if I do, it might be this. Those are his favorites. I love these that have the chocolate chip cookies and the pretzels, caramel corn. I love an assorted tray. I think they're great for gifts. I think they're great for me. Oh, look. It's the gold.
The gold.
Tell everyone about the... I think I see it behind you too.
We had the gold as part of our wedding favors.
Tell them what our wedding favors.
They were like leaves, right? Leaves. Leaves.
Leaves. They were chocolate on a stick.
Leaves with gold
like
on them.
Popsicle.
Yeah.
Look. Oh, what is this? Those are fries.
Fries.
There it is. See the French fries? Those are so cute.
That's cool.
The dipped gold, that's what we had with leaves as our wedding favors, and they were a hit.
Yeah, they were a hit.
Huge hit.
Yeah.
So, if you're on a little bit more of a budget and you want to go a little smaller, they have these little packages as well. We recently had these, the sea salt caramel Oreos, cashew pralines with the milk chocolate. I didn't know about these. Sir. Ooh. Sir. So Andy came out. Andy is Chris's husband, who is one of the owners with her family owns it. Andy came out to talk to us and give us a little history about where they started, how they started.
They've been doing this since the 70s, guys. I thought this was like recent, pretty recent company.
Mid 2000s.
Maybe 2000s. No, 70s. 1970s.
So they are pros. They've been so welcoming to us stopping in today. It's an honor because this place means a lot to us. How come we've never had the pizza? You can get the pizza.
It comes in a pizza box.
It comes in a pizza. It's gluten-free.
Look.
Okay, that is cute.
That's cool.
That is cute. Voila. Anything with the green ribbon is a sugar-free item. Awesome. Uh-oh. Don't break that.
Why does it say Wilbur?
I don't know. We're gonna be getting in there shortly, guys. It's happening. Here's some of the barks. I'm a huge bark girl.
Your bark is worse than your bite.
The dark chocolate s'mores, the milk chocolate s'mores, the cashew bark, Oreo bark. That's one I haven't had. My number one is potato chip bark. Would you guys do the potato chip bark? It's so good. We've never gotten one of these. Look.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. That is better than Hershey. Yes.
Yeah, it's big too.
Yes. Whatever you guys need. There's letters. Let's find L. We got that L. I'm not digging for that, but there's an L for Lolly. Lollyland. Let's go for I am 4 years old. And another 4. Yeah, they have the Twizzlers. I've had those.
How are they? They good?
They're kind of heavenly with popcorn. And when you walk in, there's a lot of, I call these corporate baskets. I think they have one called corporate basket. Oh my God, look at this, babe. That's everything that's in it.
Show me real quick.
Look at that. That is a huge chocolate bar in there with all the other delicious things. That's a basket.
Okay.
You had this already last year.
Aunt Sandy and Uncle Richie, who are watching this video, got me one of these Last Christmas?
Last Christmas.
Last Christmas, they got me this. And to this day, it is one of the best gifts I've ever received.
Is it the Zany Nugget one? No.
This is, yeah, it's the Zany Nugget pretzel.
Huge. Hold it up to your face.
Okay, I thought this was gonna last me like a week, 2 days.
Okay, that's a problem.
2 days.
That's a problem.
I took this whole thing out. Thank you, Anthony Uncle Richie. I appreciate it.
That's him saying he wants another one.
Yes. It is bigger than my head.
And this year they're doing the personalized chocolate on the gingerbread man.
This is toffee and pretzel,
Okay.
and that comes in dark, white, and milk. And then we have pretzel and caramel with sea salt, milk and dark.
Ooh. And then of course my favorite nonpareil.
Yes, and the nonpareils in multiple colors.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys will get a free sample when you come in to David Bradley. It's the best part of walking in. Guys, I'm sneaking in the back.
Crew makes raw chocolate look very pretty.
I love it. I love it.
I call this the Smiles Crew because they make the customer have smiles.
I agree. Guys, I might have already shown you this beautiful dish here at David Bradley. You get the dish and the chocolate, but I really just want to show you my Christmas nails. Merry vibes only, guys. Thank you for coming to David Bradley with us. I want to thank Andy, Christine, Louise, and Amy in the back. Her energy was amazing, and Dorothy out here. Thank you for watching Lollyland Adventures. We will see you at our next Christmas stop.
That was awesome. We had such a good time today. The staff was unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Make sure you come here. If you've never been here and you've always like kind of heard about this place, you got to make the trip and come here. Your mind will be blown as soon as you open that door. You go like into this winter wonderland, and there's just any kind of chocolate, dark chocolate, vegan, gluten-free, nut-free, whatever. Just come in here, take a look around. I guarantee you'll find something that you'll be like, oh my God.
What does your shirt say?
Stay jelly, my friends. They have chocolate dipped fruit, grapes, strawberries, blueberries, pineapples, any kind of like marshmallows, grahams. It's a winter wonderland of sweets, guys, and you gotta come and check it out.
David Bradley Chocolatier. It is, or Chocolate Factory. It is in the back of the complex, but it's worth the traveling back here to get. We just met Kelly and her mom, and Kelly watched our Shady Brook video from the fall. It's so
How cool was that?
Hi Kelly, thank you for watching. Hope you get more ideas. Never really been
happened to us
recognized
before, so thank you. We appreciate it.
Please subscribe to Lollyland Adventures. We appreciate you. Every subscriber helps us grow. Leave us a comment. Come to David Bradley. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this, because we enjoyed filming it. We got some chocolate. We got some chocolate. Thank you to David Bradley and the crew for having us out.
Make sure you ring the chocolate ding-a-linger. That sounds bad. Ring the ding-a-linger, fa la 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 la.
We're in the car, driving home. I don't know if I showed you guys my earrings today. I think I did. Christmas tree cakes, hashtag, watch out. So we just want to show you some individual pieces here, guys. We got peanut butter smoothies, milk chocolate. I can't even describe the milk chocolate. It's buttery in a way.
Yeah, it's like a buttery milk chocolate and just smooth, and
it's the best.
There's no other chocolate like it.
Reminder, Mikey says chocolate and I say chocolate. Thank you to Louise for the dark chocolate apple slices, which are actually my favorite, and they use the Granny Smith apples. Oh, so good. Pineapple.
I got the milk chocolate covered pineapple, which I am obsessed with. I got the sea salt, peanut butter, chocolate covered Oreos.
I didn't even see those. I'm gonna steal one, okay? Because it's the holidays. Do you mind if I have one? How many are in there?
3.
I'm gonna have one.
You have one.
That's what I was looking for. They're so good. I've only had it once. The peanut butter is so smooth, which is why I got peanut butter smoothies.
Like and subscribe.